Morning dear students, how are you all? So let's start today our computer subject. So lesson number 4, working with notepad, and part 4 of this lesson, page number 42 of your computer textbook. Today we are going to see how to exit from notepad program. So first of all, steps are given, we will go through it. So simple steps are there. When your program is on the screen, you can see this type of window. Okay, notepad program window you can see on the screen. On this screen you will see in menu, file menu. Okay, so select this option file, and from the file you will see the last option, that is the exit. Just click with the mouse on exit, and what will happen, the result, when you do so, you will be taken out of notepad program. Okay, simple thing. Once again, exiting from notepad, go in the file menu. Okay, when you click on the file menu, small screen will open on your screen, and select exit option. Click on it with the help of mouse. Okay, then you will be out of the notepad program. And next, on page number 43, we will see how to find and replace word. Sometimes we want to find word, okay, any word, or any mistake is happen with us while typing on the program. So we want to replace that word with the another word, that is with the original word. Okay, so how to do? So for that, one option is there. So first of all, perform the following steps for finding a word in the text and replacing it with the another word. Okay, by mistake we did word and we want to replace it with the original word, so you can do that. See, here an example is given. Say the word Shero, is it to be replaced by Sherji? Okay, by mistake we did this word. Now find and replace this word with the original word. Okay, so steps are given on page number 43. Go through edit. Okay, edit menu, and click on the edit. This option you are going to select. When you click on the edit, what will happen? The second step, you will see this option is given, that is the find next, replace, and go to. So our option is to replace, means to change that word. Okay, you can do with the help of mouse, and with the keyboard you have to need to press both together, control key and H key, both together you press, then you will able to open this replace. Now what you want to replace? Second step, the third step is here given. Okay, here this is a wrong word and replace with this, means on place of this word you need this word. Okay, when you type the correct word, okay, so it will do the correct word. Okay, find out, then replace. So replace dialog box will appear. Type the word. Okay, find what text box, say you type Shero, and replace it with the Sherji. Okay, so on the dialog box every options are given. What you want to do, find that word, and after finding, replace it with the original word, that is the correct word. Okay, replace button. Now see here 3 options also you will get in this. Okay, so that is also get. This process will change only the first occurrence of the word, that means only the one word. You can also replace all, that option is also there, but here we are doing only one time. See, here is the third option, replace all or only one time. Okay, so both is given, what you want to need, replace only one time or replace all the word. So choice is your. The replace all button changes all the occurrence of the word. Okay, so here it is clear for you that what we need to do. So here we finish our this chapter number 4, working with notepad, and now we will do exercise of this lesson. Thank you students, have a nice day.